I have like a deck of cards. They're shuffled. I'm just going to... And then I ask the spectator to pick a card. And I'm going to look away. The spectator says, stop. He puts the card there, okay? I'm just going to give it a bit of cuts like this. I'm just going to give it a few more cuts like this. I'm going to do this. Just going to give a few more cuts. Okay, so once we got that, I asked the spectator. This is their card, the 10 of hearts. Actually, I don't think this is your card. And look at it. Okay, so I have the wallet here. And I'm going to grab the 10 of hearts and put it inside it. Just like that. And now look. Now they can see the 10 of hearts. We'll watch. It visually changes to the 5 of diamonds. Your card. And if you push from the top, it reveals a card, the 10 of hearts. But if you push from the bottom, it will just magically disappear. Then, so if it's like the 3 of spades that pops up, then take the 3 of spades. I'm going to use the 10 of hearts for this example. Put it on top of the deck. Okay, now you're ready to begin, and like that. Okay. Then just ask the spectator to pick a card. In this case, it's the 2 of clubs. Then they're gonna say you're gonna put it on top of the deck. And what you're gonna do, instead of like shuffling it to make it all mixed up, you're gonna do fake cuts and shuffles. So nothing's really happening. And then you're just gonna then what you're gonna do is you're gonna do a double lift. When it means you're getting a pinky break on 2 cards, and then you're just gonna flip them both over, making it look like it's 1 card. So this is the double lift, and this is without the double lift. It just looks like I'm just picking up the 10 of hearts, and of course they would say no, it's not their card. So you're just gonna flip it over. And you're going to pretend you're taking the 10 of hearts, but you're taking the 2 of clubs. And then you're just going to, here's what you're going to do. You're going to take the wallet, and you're going to take the 2 clubs, and don't show them. Pretend it's like the 10 of hearts. Put it inside there. Put it inside there, and then just push. So now it looks like it's the 10 of hearts, but it's actually the 2 of clubs. And then if you push up, it's going to change to the 2 of clubs. Now here's what it's going to do. You're going to hold it, and then you're just going to say, with your pinky, you're just going to move up like this. Watch. And you can show it just magically turned into their card. I asked the spectator to name any card, and I promise you it could be any random, so I'm just going to say the 8 of spades. And I have no idea where it is in the deck. Okay, but watch this. I'm going to go through the deck like this. I'm going to go through the deck like this slowly. And you can see that 1 card is facing down. It's not just any card in the deck. Happens to be the 8 of spades. Okay, let's just try another one, okay? Let's try another one. I'm just going to put the deck here untouched. No, I'll just put it on this box like that. Let's just say the 3 of spades. Okay, so I'm going to go through the deck like this. The 3 of spades, I'm going to go through the deck like this. You can see 1 card is facing down, and it's the 3 of spades also. Yeah, so that's the trick. Here's a reveal. Okay, so here's the first thing you need to know. All the card there's a bunch of cards on this side, but on the other side, many cards are here. So this is how it works. Look, what's happening is I have double sided cards, but don't tape them. Just leave them like this. I have double sided cards. Same with this one. Same with this one. Same with this one. And how the second thing you need to know. In this side, all the cards are even. I don't think I can show you. And in the other side, all the cards are odd. Okay, in this case, just so you know, kings are 13, queens are 12, and jacks are 11. The third thing you need to know, you need to know what you're gonna pair up with. Like for example, the 6 of hearts, the next card, which is upside down, can't be the 9 of spades. It's the 7 of spades. I want to tell you why. Because 6 and 7 add up all to 13. So get cards that add up to 13, one upside down and one the other way. Like 4, if it's a 4, then it goes with a 9. If it's an 8, then it goes with the 5 because they all add up to 13. Here's something. Look, you have this king, but they're both 13. So what you're going to do is you're going to just don't worry about the kings, just add another king on the other side. And make sure all the evens are here and all the odds are here so you don't get mixed up. The fourth thing you need to know. Look, hearts go with spades. Diamonds go with clubs. For example, look, if it's the 6 of hearts, it will go with 7. But what's a suit? It's going to be a spade because hearts are going to go with spades. And clubs are going to go with diamonds. Now you're ready to begin. You can ask the spectator to name any card they like. And here's what I do. I put all the odd cards in like this side and all the even numbers this side. Okay, so ask the spectator to name any card. Let's just say they said the 3 spades like in the performance. Then you're going to go to the even side and look for the 10 of hearts because the 10 of hearts, then the next card was going to be the 3 spades because the 3 spades and because 3 and 10 added to 13 and spades and hearts go together. There we go. There's the 10 of hearts. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take the card that's facing down, and then you can show them it's the 3 spades. So what? I have a pen and a card. Here's a card, and I'm just going to try to do this. I'm going to try to stab it. 3, 2, 1. There we go. It stabbed right through the card like this, and there's no hole. You need these gimmick pens, and what you can do with them is they're magnetic, so you can just break them apart like this. Now you're gonna need a card. You can use a dollar bill or a mask, whatever, whatever. And while you're showing once you're like showing the card and the pen, you're gonna put this part of the pen behind the card. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna break the pen like that, and we're gonna cover this part of the lid so it shows the pen and not that stab. Sorry, and you just do that, and then you're just gonna 3. You're just gonna close it like this, and you're just gonna count 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, and you're just gonna stab it at the exact spot to do. take pen, and you can show there's no hole, and you can give it to the spectator for inspection. Okay, so I have silk. Or a handkerchief. You can use whatever. I'm just gonna put it in my hand like this. Like this. Now watch this. It just vanishes out of thin air. It's gone. Now watch this. I'm just gonna make it reappear. And that's the trick. Here's the reveal. There is a fake thumb. You can buy these. So you're gonna have like a silk or like a handkerchief, and you're gonna put the fake thumb here instead of just like putting it in your hand. You're gonna put it in the fake thumb like this. And once it's all closed in, you're just gonna like push. You're just gonna like push like this and grab the fake thumb. And then you could show them that you're empty-handed. Do it way fast, so it doesn't look like that you have a fake thumb. Because if you just keep it like this, it's suspicious. And then you're just gonna take it, and then show it reappears. All right, so you have a whole deck of cards, and I'm just gonna put this card inside here. Okay, now what's this? I have this box with a hole like this, and it's empty. I'm just going to like put it inside the box like this. You can see it's in the box, and now it vanishes. It's gone. The whole deck just disappears. All right, so you need to buy this box and this deck and the card, and this is a gimmick because look, this is like a fake deck. It just has a black empty space right here, and you don't want to show that part. You want to look like a whole deck, and these are just fake cards. It's really real. Okay, you're just gonna take it. You're gonna put the card inside the deck like this, and then you can show it's a real deck. But what's happening is you're just gonna flip this way, and you're going to put it in there, in the box. And what you're gonna do is, well, here's what you're gonna do. What's happening is once you put it in the box, it's just like it just looks like it's disappearing. Look. If you put it in the box, it's just gonna be like this, and then you can show it just completely vanished. But it's actually just like right here. So once again, if you just like push it in like this, it vanishes, and yeah, that's the trick.
Okay guys, I'm gonna show you a magic trick that's super cool. Now watch this. See this? I also have a folded up card, red card. Now watch. I'm gonna put it on here. Now I'm gonna flip it over. Now ready? 3, 2, 1. Now this turns blue. Now watch. 3, 2, 1. Turns red. And then this turns red too. Okay, so this is how the trick is done. You need a double-sided card, as you know. Blue, red. Blue and red. So now after you have your double-sided card, that side, now watch. And look at this. So this set you need. What you need is you need a blue card. You're gonna cut in like this. You're gonna cut it into little squares. So you're gonna go like, cut this side, and then you're gonna cut this side, and you're gonna cut it to squares. And then what you do is after you cut it, you're gonna take this edge and this edge. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna glue it onto a red card, just like this. And then after you do that, you're gonna fold the red card in there. And then so when you flip it over, it turns red. So this is how you do it. The blue card it's gonna go right you're gonna go right here. It's gonna turn blue, and then what you do is you take the blue card and you put it on top like this. You turn it around, and it turns red. Then you put it on top again. Go like this. Turns blue.
Okay, guys, so this is the last one, and I'm putting this one as the last one because I made this one up, and I hope you guys will enjoy this one. Okay, let's see. Now, how to appear a coin out of thin air. Watch. It just, a coin appears out of thin air. You can show that there's nothing in your hands. But where's the coin? It's actually hidden in with your middle finger and thumb. You're gonna put this, and you're gonna with your first finger you're gonna put it on the coin like this. Count them 1, 2, and when the third time you're gonna grab the coin and show it just appeared out of thin air. In the spectator's view, it goes like this: 1, 2, 3. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like the video and subscribe. Watch our last video, and we'll see you then. Bye.